Okay, what else in this box? Some more rings. Looks like they want this set to stay with this piston set. Geez, I wonder where these came from. Some of them Taiwan Teddy. What did I buy? The only reason I would have bought these is they were cheap. Sportster parts. Ooh, extra parts. 900. Wrist pin and spiral locks like they're supposed to be in there. This is 900 piston. Yep, CCE on the inside. That's the good brand. So these are good ones. These are not the new ones they've been making the last 5 years. These are older ones. I don't like the way the new ones are made. They're cheaper. This is the old original way. The old original way of doing stuff looks better to me than new stuff. New stuff's just cheap. How they do stuff. Nice machining, no corrosion. Nice piston. These are 9-to-1. Stock compression. Always make sure your pin clips are inside. And don't forget the pin. That's how they're supposed to come. So, what are these? 10 over or something? Maine. Taiwan Teddy stuff made in Taiwan. Look at that. You never known that. 50 over. That's what the rings are. 05. That's probably a 50. Let's see how the number system works. So, alright, so 50 over 900. With Hastings rings and non-moly. Of course, the 900 we don't know what's in the box, but there you go. Good set of ring pistons for those. Not bad. And something heavy. Rear block seat stands. 45 kickstand mount. Okay, something unknown. Alright, there you go.